In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll again. Tap on Font Settings and click on one of those font styles to apply the best one for you. Then go back to check it out. If you don't want to pick one of those though, you can tap on those three dots and pick the best font style for you from Themes category. You can also just access Themes app and select fonts at the top over here. Either way, after finding the best one for you, you can either buy it or pick one of the free ones. Then select the green button over here to download it. Wait a few seconds and hit apply. So when I go back to check it out, style of my font has changed again. If you want to go back to the default one at any point, you can use the same app, Themes one. Choose My Account at the bottom right corner, click on Fonts, and click on Default one at the top. Then choose Apply at the bottom and wait. In this section, you can also find all of your downloaded ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!